morning, guys. Welcome back. Last week we showed you the transformation of painting our van.
Oh my god, I love it.
I love the colour.
Oh, that's so right.
Our girl Olive, who has taken us around 12 different countries over the past year, has officially had the facelift that she deserves more than anything. We had to kind of abort mission last week because we ran out of paint. We didn't order enough, but this morning the second tin has arrived.
Woo, woo, woo. Paint's here, guys. Let's go. Second coat on the roof and along the bottom of the van.
So we still have the second coat of the van to do and just some of the like little nitty gritty bits that we didn't get round to doing. And yeah, so let's get it on. I cannot wait to see the finished product of Olive. Can't wait to get everything around. Here's Jason. Can't wait to get everything finished and getting her looking incredible. Time to get ready. Let's go.
It's time to dig all of the rollers out and the tray. I did cling film it because I knew we'd have to do some more painting. Hopefully it hasn't dried out, put it that way. Then we don't have to worry about washing it out or anything like that. Let's have a look at the tray. Oh, it's
Dry,
gone hard.
How? How has it gone dry? Are the rollers alright?
No, but we've got loads of rollers.
Fletcher,
Is a penis.
we've been playing with you. We've been playing with you all morning, darling.
Well, that's gone proper hard, isn't it?
That looks quite a nice finish actually on the whole tray. Look at look at that bit.
Oh, it's just spongy, isn't it?
That is.
So we can use that, can't we, still?
Yeah.
We're only doing the bottom bit anyway in the roof. No one sees any of them. Hold that.
So-
We have to check his ball.
Mixing the paint is rather messy. So let's get some paint mixed and do this.
Let's roll. Let's roll. Let's do it. Let's do it.
What do you reckon? 2 cups of paint, 1?
Yeah, I reckon 2 and 1 will probably finish it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's gorgeous. There's a gorgeous colour green, that.
We're starting with the roof. Now, fingers crossed we don't get all of those horrible leaves like Chris did last week.
Look at all the little leaves that are on it now.
It's a pretty windy day, so we're taking a bit of a risk, but we're gonna go for it.
I would say.
Because we're impatient and we want to finish. We're missing adventures, we need to get back on the road.
Best bit of prep when we are on the roof is get rid of all these old leaves that stuck to the paint. So I'm just going over here with a microfibre cloth, just brushing them all off. Little bits of bird poo because we're parked right under a big tree. Once we've got that off, we're ready to paint and get going. Today is perfect conditions really. Sun's not right out. When the wind dies down, it's great. There's a little bit of wind coming off the roof again. But yeah, today is perfect conditions, I believe.
I do love this colour.
Yeah.
Don't you?
Yeah.
Honestly, I am so over the moon with the finish of this paint. It looks like she's had a professional spray. Bloody hell. Stop, Sam. Right, I think that's done. It's not funny. Oh my god. The pollen is on attack today. Right, I'm going on the other side now. Okay?
Okay.
See you in a minute. Have you got a little cloth with you by any chance?
Yep.
You painting your skin as well, darling?
Oh no, I like the green that much. I wanted to become an avatar. Ready. Go!
It took me hours to put all that on, and seconds to get off. We are done. I am melting because it's another hot day, but we've officially finished. We're now gonna take the rest of the day whilst the paint is drying to go up to Chris's parents. We have most of our stuff stored up there. They've been very kind to let us store our excess stuff that we had from the house up there. And it's about time we go up there and change over our wardrobes. We've got so many thermals, ski socks, things like that we're not going to need, fingers crossed, for the next few months. And we're very low on summer gear. So we're going to go up there, have a good sort out. We need to be really brutal and get rid of a load of stuff, because if it's not been touched for the last 18 months since we've been living on the road, then it needs to go. So yeah, we're going to go and have a little pickup of that. And then tomorrow morning, once the paint is all dry, we can start putting the roof rack on, putting all the lights back in, and getting Olive put back together. We'll see you then.
Good morning, team. So we have been at my mum's yesterday, and now I have got all of this brought back. This is all our summer stuff, just all our little more bits and bobs that we use in the summer, like flippers, bodyboard, summer clothes and stuff like that. So I have to now get that to fit in the back of the van, along with these two chairs as well. So this is going to be a bit of a struggle, I think. I got these to do a bit of diving with.
To be fair, we did a really good job yesterday sorting through all of our clothes at Chris's parents. I've got a massive bag that I'm going to sell on Vinted. I've never used it before. But yeah, loads and loads of clothes that we're getting rid of. I actually found the whole process when we moved from a 3-bedroom house into the van so liberating, to get rid of all of your clutter that you just have around the house. And it's so surprising now that even though we live in a van, we still accumulate quite a lot of stuff. So we've probably got about 5 boxes of stuff still at Chris's parents, a load of winter clothes, and all like your sentimental things you don't want to get rid of, like our wedding photos, baby photos. So yeah, we've had a really good sort out. And yesterday I found these little fridge magnets that we used to have at the house, and they're magnetic. Look at baby Fletcher. Just look how cute he was. So Chris said, let's bring them and put them in the van on our fridge. So that's what I'm just about to do now. We can put them on here. Oh.
They're not stick.
They're not magnetic. The fridge isn't magnetic.
Oh,
where else is magnetic? Is this magnetic? No.
In the cabinet.
Is this magnetic? No. Might have to put them in the front. Maybe. On the side of the van. They stick there, look. Wish we could, maybe on the outside of the van, but I think they'd fall off. Well, we need to find a new spot for these magnets.
Good morning, squad. So, I just said so. I'm going to try and not say so as many times in this week's vlog. Okay. Right, team. So weird, I was just trying to say it again. Today, team, we are putting the van back together because we are starting to get really itchy feet. We want to get out there. We want to actually be enjoying this weather. We haven't gone away this week, and we decided this week to paint the van and things like that because it's half term. You know us from our Scotland videos. We're not a fan of all the big crowds. We know half term, especially this weather, was going to be packed. So Monday, we are hitting that beach. We're going to head down to Cornwall for a few weeks. I'll have to put lights in, put the seals on, take the tape off all the solar panels and that, and yeah, loads of little jobs. I need to fix this door. This door is really horrible at the moment when it opens. It's like creaking and everything ever since putting the new brackets and all that on. So that's another job that needs to be sorted. And we need to make sure she actually starts. We haven't started her in about a week now. So we have to make sure the battery's not dead and she's ticking over.
And we need to get the roof rack on.
And biggest job, like Sam just said, we need to get that roof rack on. My uncle is here as well today, so there should be a lot of us to be able to get it up on nice and easy, not scratch the paintwork. Cannot be scratching the paintwork. Good job.
and a little bit hangry. So I'm putting together a big salad. It's such gorgeous weather and it's the only time in our lives we ever eat salad. And I've just made some vegan coleslaw, which smells delicious. So let's make that, fuel ourselves up, and we can go again.
Oh my baby, look at that. Guys, that is like healthness in a bowl. Bless you, darling. Alright, I'm not going to keep saying it.
Oh. I'm dying. Can't you see that I'm more important than having a treat right now? Why? Roof rack is back on.
Imagine if it actually didn't look very good in different lights. Imagine if the van, when we take it elsewhere, it doesn't look actually very good, but like, oh, maybe it was just the lighting that was so good around here.
You happy with it?
I am. Just gonna make sure it's all done up. I'm pleased that I made all these brackets myself to put the roof rack on. Go up there now, make sure it doesn't move around. We should be good. Let's see if this roof rack moves. Up here, give it a little jiggle. It all seems good. This is our sun deck usually, but when my surfboard's up here, and then we have the spare wheel up here, it's just not much space. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make a rear spare wheel holder. So I'll weld it all up, I'll use mild steel, get it all painted up, and then bolt it to the hinges, and that'll be looking good. So I'll probably do that when we get back, so probably a couple of weeks time. Make sure I've got the material in to do that, and it'll be looking plush. Babe, she's done.
She's finished!
Everything is all done on the outside.
Oh my god, I cannot wait. Like, we've been in this workshop now. She hasn't moved for like a week, maybe over a week.
Just over a week.
We don't even know if she starts, guys, but I'm so ready to look at something different than this workshop. Let's pack up the van, see if she starts, and let's go and enjoy the rest of this sunshine somewhere a little bit more picturesque. And then we can look at her from some distance and have a good look, yeah?
Sounds like a plan, let's go.
Let's do it, Fletch. We need to find a river or something for you.
Keys. Let's make sure she starts. As you guys know, the front of the van is just the dumping ground, so we have all this jazz here. Is it the right key? It is. We have Life. She'll tick over because she's our baby. First time, I had no concerns. She is an absolute beauty. I love her. I love her even more now she's painted. Damn, she looks fine.
We are off, team. We are finally leaving to have a start. We're going to be back again tomorrow because we've got a friend's birthday, but we are just going off for one night. I am so ready to go. Look at her. She is about to have her first trip being Olive.
Let's lock these gates up and get out of here.
Let's go. Fletchy, doesn't she look great? She's dusty though. She could have done with a wash, but hey ho. Come on, buddy. Feels good to be on the road. Oh, I hear the beach calling. I hear sunsets calling.
she from a distance?
She looks awesome.
Guys, let us know what you think in the comments. I know you did it last week, but trim's all back on, roof rack's on, paddleboard's up there, surfboard's up there. We are ready for this summer now. I knew we bought this mat for a reason, this colour.
Fletcher wants you to put it down.
I'm like, yeah, it rolls up for a minute. I was trying to help you, buddy. Oh, yeah, buddy. Daddy deserves a lay down. Oh, my God.
So, team, we had a lush evening chilling, and then Chris's brother came up to join us, and him and Chris have been having a whale of a time for hours and hours. It's so nice that the sun doesn't set till quite late here at the moment, so they've literally been hitting golf balls, playing football, and it's been really, really nice to watch. Being home, we've thoroughly enjoyed spending quality time with all our loved ones. Like, we've chosen a lifestyle where we spend quite a lot of time away from the people we love, and it can be really, really hard at times, but we're so grateful for the relationships that we have with them, because when we come home, it's just such quality time and better than it ever was before. So we're soaking up every single minute we can with everybody, and then on Monday we hit the road. So the sun has just gone down. I've been watching the beautiful sunset whilst currently editing this YouTube video ready for you guys to watch on Sunday. It's all been really, really crazy since we've been home, if I'm honest. Just sorting out the house, painting the van, getting organised. But we're so grateful that this is our lifestyle, and we're grateful that you guys come along with us too. For now, I'm going to let these two have fun whilst I do the YouTube, and we'll see you in the morning.
Good morning, team.
What an amazing night's sleep that was.
It was lush, just being away from the workshop. Are you ready to hit the road though?
Oh guys, I can't tell you how excited I am. We're about to head to the beach. We're going to be spending the next few weeks in Cornwall. One of our favourite places to be. Can't wait to take you along with us.
If you see us on the road, bright green bus, make sure you give us a wave.
If you've got any Cornwall recommendations, please drop them in the comments below. We're excited for some adventure content, guys. We appreciate you guys being here in this crazy transition where we've been sorting out the house, sorting out Olive.
Yeah.
But we're getting back to the road. So what should our secret code be this week?
Secret code this week, we're going to be by the sea, so let's go for waves. The waves emoji. You know, the one with it looks like a surfing wave.
So if you've made it this far in the video, drop the wave emoji just so that we know you've made it this far.
Hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, all that jazz, and we will see you next time.
I'm so excited to hit the road. We'll see you next week.
See ya!